In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop pop-up notifications from Glovo app permanently. So if you've been receiving a lot of notifications and you're not interested in them from Glovo app, then let me show you how you can put an end or you can stop them permanently. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Now, for you to be able to stop pop-up notifications from Glovo app, first you'll need to access the Glovo app notification page. To do so, it is quite simple. Just head over to settings and you'll go to settings here. And then from settings, scroll down until you find this option called apps. Now, for this tutorial, I'm using a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. Under apps, look for the option called manage apps. On some smartphones, it might be written all apps or more apps. Go ahead and tap on it. And this will go ahead and list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. From the list, scroll down until you see your app. And as you can see, my Glovo app is here. So if you can't find it, you can as well come and search for your app here using this search function. From this, go ahead and tap on your app and you can see the app information page is here. Now, if you can't follow this process or if you can't find these steps, then let me show you how you can get to this app information page in a shortcut method. For that, go back and then look for your app, and my app is here. Once you find it, go ahead and long press on it and you'll see app info. Go ahead and tap on it and this will take you to the same page. Now from this, look for this section called permissions, and under permissions, scroll down until you see notifications. So if you tap on notifications, you can see all these notifications have been turned on. Now, instead of turning off one by one here, just go ahead and toggle off this option called show notifications, and it will switch off all the other types of notification. From now henceforth, you'll never again see those pop-up notifications coming from your Glovo app. So that's how you can permanently stop Glovo app pop-up notifications on your smartphone. If this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.